Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to share location on Instagram in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. Open the chat to whom you want to share the location to. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right side. Tap on Location. Tap on Continue at the bottom. Tap on Allow. Now you can search for the desired location by tapping on the search box at the top, or directly send your live location by tapping on Share Your Location icon at the bottom. And that is how to share location on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.